Good morning, everyone, and I guess it's Happy New Year tomorrow. Rosette's going to sing Thorny Desert.
Dark and thorny is the desert through which pilgrims make their way. But beyond this veil of sorrows lie the fields of endless day. Winds loud howling through the desert make them tremble as they go, and the fiery darts of Satan often bring their courage low. Oh, young soldiers, are you weary of the troubles on the way? Does your strength begin to fail you, and your vigor to decay? Jesus, Jesus will go with you. He will lead you to his throne. He who dyed his garments for you, and the winepress trod alone. He whose thunder shakes creation, he who does the world control, he who rides up on the tempest, and whose scepter sways the whole. Round him are 1,000 angels, ready to obey command. They are always hovering round you, till you reach the heavenly land. There on flowery hills of pleasure, in the fields of endless rest, love and joy and peace shall ever reign in triumph in your breast. Who can paint the scenes of glory where the ransom dwell on high, where the golden harps forever sound redemption through the sky? Oh, their crowns, how bright they sparkle, such as monarchs never wear. They are gone to heavenly pastures. Jesus is their shepherd there. Hail, ye happy, happy spirits, welcome to the blissful plain. Glory, honor, and salvation reign, sweet shepherd, ever reign. Lord, how secure my conscience was, and felt no inward dread. I was alive without thy law, and thought my sins were dead. My hopes of heaven were firm and bright, but since the precept came, without convincing power and light, I find how vile I am. My guilt appeared but small before, till terribly I saw how perfect, holy, just, and pure was thy eternal law. Then felt my soul the heavy load, my sins revived again. I had provoked a dreadful God, and all my hopes were slain. Thy gracious throne I bow beneath, Lord, thou alone canst save. Break the yoke of sin and death, and thus redeem the slave. Thy gracious throne I bow beneath, Lord, thou alone canst save. And break the yoke of sin and death, and thus redeem the slave.
Okay, well, thank you, and hope you and your family have a happy new year. And don't shoot off too many fireworks at midnight. Anyway, have a blessed day.